What's up? I think I'm live. So welcome to my vlog number 60. Hopefully my setup is good. Hey, anyway, this is your guy, Dog Zero. So we're not gonna waste any time. I know I've made this one before and it was an edited video, and today we're going to do a live version of the Fra Diavolo. So starting with olive oil. Yeah, pour a lot of it because we're going to be frying a lot of it. High heat, as what I did before. So hopefully my setup here is good. It is. As copious amount as possible, man. Anyway, glad I'm doing this again. It's been a while since I've been doing some cooking. So, oh, hey, wait. I think I forgot something. Okay, so I forgot this one. So, guys from Facebook, hey, what's up, man? And those on YouTube, thank you very much for watching. You know, I've been surprised since the last vlog was viewed 59 times already, which was odd because bihira lang mangyari yun, or you know, it doesn't happen very often. Anyway, let's start cooking. So my wife wanted me to go try a Fra Diavolo, so we're going to do it again. This time we're going to have shrimp with us, and then the rest is the same ingredients from before. So we're going to start with grated, finely chopped garlic. So, oops, yeah. It's going to be it. Butter, butter's already there. So when you go, the trick with the butter is that it burns easily if you cook it already. I saw another YouTuber who used garlic flakes already on the start, so we're gonna do that. We're going to cook first the shrimp. It cooks easy, especially in high heat. Guys in Facebook, hi guys, thank you for watching the previous video. Thank you and supporting me. I have lots of comments on my previous vlogs. Thank you very much for that. So there. I just keep stirring so that the butter won't burn. Also to get the shrimp cooking. So you know it's cooking because it's turning pink. So those are guys who don't know much about cooking, yeah. So we're trying to roast it on garlic pa rin. High heat as much as possible. There. We're turning the shrimp. Yeah, that's it right there. It's already cooked. Wow. Too much heat. There. Then we're gonna put the shiitake mushrooms. The pasta we use today is from Doria. I think that's the brand. It's a different pasta that we've been using every time we shoot a cooking video. So you know. So there we go. You know, a little stir fry. The garlic is already getting brownish. Yeah. Now we have chopped lobster balls. You know, just so we can get a little variety of seafood in there, because I don't have much shrimp to start with. And also I have cuttlefish balls, which are very tasty, much more tasty than the regular squid balls or the fish balls here in the Philippines. So we're gonna put that in, and remember, high heat. And then I chopped a little sili or chili. Here we go. So secret to Fra Diavolo is, you know, a lot of peppers. So at least 3 kinds of peppers is recommended for a Fra Diavolo. So this is like the sahog, and of course I substitute Sriracha with spice. Also red chili right here. It said red chili puree. Put a lot of it in there. For the tomatoes, we're gonna put Doña Elena full peeled tomatoes. All of it. It's about 400 grams full peeled. Don't need to add any more water or tomato paste or tomato sauce. We just cook with the, yeah, that should do it. Look at this. Already the sauce is starting to form. Of course, this is very expensive nowadays, but hey, put those red onions in. Yeah, I chopped additional garlic, which I'll be putting in right after this one. The first batch of the garlic was just to create a roasted flavor on the sahog. Okay, this one is for the pasta. Of course, the missing ingredients for this vlog right now is basil and parsley, and also white wine. You can add those, but you know, here in the Philippines, we're not keen on those things. To make this a little bit more Italian, you need those 3, but we're gonna go with this. Of course, I pre-cooked the pasta so that we don't take much of our time, because I'm going to be uploading this video on YouTube too. Oh no, on Facebook, I'm sorry. So hey guys, if you like this video so far, click that like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this. But now we're gonna put the pasta in a little bit later. I think we're in yeah. So you know, I haven't been posting lately because I have been having a kind of medical condition. I've been sick, so I'm trying to recuperate. So I've also not been going to the gym for the past 2 days now, because of what I'm feeling right now. So we're going to have a little cheat day, and hopefully tomorrow we can get back to our regular work. So look at this. This is going to be the sauce of the Fra Diavolo. It's all red. That's why it's recommended to have a like there. You're going to put it like it's a 1-pan Fra Diavolo thing. Just going to stir in the cooked pasta already here, and it's going to absorb all that spicy tomato flavor, and you're going to have a really good time. Just, you know, a little parmesan here and there, and that's it. Best time to eat this is right after cooking. So, you know, just so easy. You know, the preparation, it takes about 20 minutes, and as you can see in this video, the whole cooking time is just 10 minutes. Very easy and very healthy. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put olives later, and you can check the photos in my Facebook for the finished product. Also, I'll be editing the video so that I get some reactions, you know, some food reactions from this. I forgot, yeah, the olives. Maybe I can put olives later, and then parmesan, you know. So let's take a taste of the Fra Diavolo. Let's see. Just like I did it before, it's the same. See if the cuttlefish is good. So, it's perfect. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe if you like this video. Share it, and then you know, if you want to see more, I'll be doing lots of live stuffs. Also, thank you very much for watching. Hey, this is your boy Dr. Zero Million, and wishing you a happy weekend, and thank you very much for watching. Mabuhay.